So, hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 tarot messages for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. Keep in mind this is general, this might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono master class, the links are given below too. So let's start. Cancer, overall energy for Cancer people for this week. Let's see. Let's see overall energy for Cancer people for this week. So we have the King of Cups. Cancer, you are going to be full of love, compassion, peaceful energies, and or for most of you, you guys will be busy regulating your emotions, keeping your emotions in balance and in check, because you feel like if you are going to get emotionally overwhelmed or you are going to do certain things, it might not be a good idea. So you are going to be mostly focused on being emotionally grounded, emotionally mature, and not acting out of impulses, not acting out of emotionally overwhelming or emotionally confusing kind of energies, and making it a point to keep your emotions, keep your energies in check, and spreading as much as positivity and happiness as you can from your side towards everything and everyone around you. Okay, that's cool. 27th, we have the Seven of Cups. You are going to be super confused regarding a particular situation of your life. Either you're going to deal with multiple people or multiple things at the same time, and or you're going to deal with one thing or one person, and that is going to be so confusing. You will be dealing with that situation in so many ways. It's going to confuse the hell out of you. So this is going to be a day full of dilemma, full of confusion, full of this and that, ifs and buts, and what should I do, what should I not do. This is going to be a little bit of full of confusion kind of a day, kind of energy. 27th. 28th, we have the King of Swords. I do see you cutting something or someone out of your life, out of your system, out of anger or frustration, because you are going to feel like that person, that situation is not aligning with the path of your happiness, or it's not giving you any kind of peaceful or happy kind of energies anymore. So you are going to be in this energy of cleaning the crap out of your life, out of your system, because you will not be feeling good about certain people, situations, or things anymore. It's going to be a little bit of frustrated or angry or pissed off kind of energy, but at the same time very sharp and cutthroat. This is what it is, and this is how it is going to be, and that is final period. That kind of energy, huh? 27, 28, 29th, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Things are going to be little slow, little delayed for you guys, and it is going to make you feel really angry or pissed off for some time, but at the same time you're going to realize that this slowness is actually protection. This is not like the universe is punishing you, or the universe is trying to piss you off or something. It simply means the universe is trying to protect you from something or someone that's not good for you or meant for you right now at this present moment. It's teaching you a lot of patience. It's teaching you the value of time, the value of letting things be, and the value of surrendering to the divine for people, situations, or things that we cannot change or control or do anything about, right? Okay, so we have 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the Chariot. Now you guys are going to have a goal or vision, and this is something huge, this is something big, because this is a major arcana card. You guys are going to be very very determined to go in a particular direction and make something happen, in spite despite of the pros and cons and negatives and positives, the challenges and the obstacles and everything that you are going to face on the path of getting this thing done. You are going to be okay with that. You are going to be in this determination energy of no matter how hard it is going to be for me, no matter how difficult it is going to be for me to get the victory and success of whatever I want to achieve here, I am going to keep moving forward. I'm not going to stop for anything or anyone. Okay, that's good, that's good for you. 31st of July, we have the Three of Cups. You guys are going to uh, go in some kind of, you guys are going to collaborate with some people, or you guys are going to go out and have fun with people. For some of it's like a business collaboration or partnership that's happening, that is going to be a success, and you guys are going to celebrate it. For others of you, it's like you going out of your comfort zone, or connecting or reconnected with your friends and family, and enjoying the connection, the reconnection, enjoying the company of good people, good vibes, good energies, and creating a really good and positive and beautiful vibes around you. So it's like a time for celebration. You're celebrating something with a group of people, and that is going to make you feel very, very happy and grounded. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Nice. High energy. Okay, so before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 7 days, 7 chakra, 7 Osho meditation that's happening from 1st till the 7th of September 2026, 9 till the 10 a.m. in the morning. The fees for Indians is 3,500, and it's quite affordable. For others, it's 200 USD. It's going to be almost 1 hour session every day. The rules for the same, the main rules are you should be above 16, and the cameras are going to be on throughout the 7 days, and you have to attend all the 7 days meditation in order to see the difference. So we are going to focus on healing the 7 chakras, removing the blockages, and bringing ourselves back to the center, back to the center of positivity and peace, the way it should be for humans. Okay, and it's going to help you guys to start your spiritual journey, or restart your spiritual journey. Or if you want to enter into Osho's world and learn different styles of meditation, this is meditation camp for you guys. Okay, so link is in the description box for the same. Please read all the instructions and everything before you guys are going to apply for the same, because the fees is non-refundable. So read each and everything properly, but you should be above 16 for sure, and you should have that much courage and confidence that you can keep the cameras open, because I cannot teach the walls. I don't feel good when the cameras are off, right? So please keep that in mind. So I'll see you on the other side. Very excited for this one, because this is 7 chakra. I'm doing it for the first time, the 7 chakra healing in 7 days, and it's going to be amazing. Till the end of 7th day, you are going to feel a lot of differences in your energies. Now every person is going to react differently to the meditation, so I cannot guarantee you the results of what you can hope, what you can expect, but a lot of healing, a lot of positivity, a lot of blockages are going to be removed for sure, if you're going to do it with all of your heart and soul for 7 days, right? So I'll see you on the other side. Very excited to share this journey with you. So let's come back to the reading. For 1st of August, we have the 5 of Cups. You are going to be a little bit disappointed over something that you cannot change or control, or you cannot do anything about. It's going to be like crying over spilled milk kind of energy. You're going to be quite upset, quite in this blues, because something or someone is not going to act according to you. Something is not going to go according to the plan, maybe. So this is like a minor arcana. You will be able to get over this situation quite easily, but for some time you're going to feel upset. There are certain things that you might not be able to see, certain people or situations that are actually good for you, that are actually right in front of you, maybe not in front of you, right around you, but you will not be able to see them. But it's okay, you will be able to do that again. 2nd of August, we have the 3 of Pentacles. If you're waiting for some kind of business collaboration, partnership, some kind of, joining some kind of like-minded people, joining an organization, or taking help from somebody in order to get something done, there are very good chances of you guys getting that thing done, and you are going to get success also in the coming future regarding that collaboration or partnership. So this is a good news for you guys. This week is going to end with a very positive note, because you will be able to collaborate, you will be able to connect or reconnect with people who is going to actually help you to get something done in a very, very positive way. That's something that you might not be able to do by yourself. Okay, good, 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 quite good. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Cancer. We have the 9 of Cups. Okay, in order for your desires, your wishes to be fulfilled, you have to get that energy within yourself. We never get what we want, we always get what we are, right? So energetically, if you're always going to doubt the universe, if you're always going to feel sad or upset, or if you're always going to operate from the energies of nah, I don't think so, it is ever going to happen, but I want it, you're never going to get it. You have to train your mind, train your subconscious mind, train your energies to get the kind of happiness that you want in your life. For that, you have to be happy first, and then you will be able to attract everything or everyone towards you the way it should, the way you want it. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.